Hello everyone, today we will compare Verizon 5G Home Internet and COX Internet, two popular internet service options. So Verizon 5G Home Internet offers high-speed internet using 5G technology, providing wireless connectivity with no data caps and easy setup, ideal for those looking for a modern alternative to traditional broadband. While COX Internet is a well-established provider offering various cable internet plans with options for high-speed connectivity, customizable bundles, and extensive coverage in many areas. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I hope you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Verizon 5G Home Internet and COX Internet, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about technology, Verizon 5G Home Internet offers 5G wireless network as you can see on the name, while COX Internet offers cable or coaxial and fiber optic options. When it comes to speed, Verizon 5G offers up to 300 Mbps up to 1 Gbps in some areas, while COX Internet, it varies by plan up to 1 Gbps or higher. And when it comes to installation, Verizon 5G offers self-installation plug and play, while COX Internet requires professional installation. When it comes to coverage, Verizon 5G Home Internet are limited to areas with 5G availability only, while COX Internet is widely available in many regions. And when it comes to equipment, Verizon 5G offers 5G gateway provided, while COX Internet offers modem and router rental or purchase. And we'll talk about another features like data caps. So as you can see, as I said earlier, version 5G have no data caps, while COX Internet is typically 1.25 terabytes per month with coverage fees. And when it comes to contracts, version 5G have no long-term contracts, while COX Internet, they have options for contract or no contract plans. And lastly, for additional perks, version 5G have discounts for version mobile customers, while COX Internet have bundling options with TV and phone services. So that's it for the simple features comparison. Now let's go to the pricing. So when it comes to monthly costs, version 5G Home Internet offers $50 per month with autopay and $70 without. And when it comes to COX Internet, their monthly cost, it varies by plan, typically ranging from $30 to $120 per month. So when it comes to equipment fees, version 5G Home Internet are included in the monthly cost already, while COX Internet, they requires $12 a month for modem rental, or you can buy your own. And when it comes to installation fees, version 5G Home Internet, it's free with self-installation kit, while COX Internet requires $100 and you can waive it in promotions. When it comes to promotions, version 5G Home Internet discounts with version mobile plans, as I said earlier, while COX Internet offers introductory pricing for the first 12 months. So that's it for the simple pricing comparison. So now let's go to another section, which is the performance. And when we talk about the download speed, so version 5G Home Internet, as I said, typically up to 300 Mbps, up to 1 Gbps in some areas, while COX, it varies by plan, up to 1 Gbps or higher. And when we talk about the upload speed, so version 5G Home Internet offers up to 50 Mbps, while COX Internet, it also varies by plan, typically lower than download speeds. When it comes to latency, version 5G offers lower latency, suitable for gaming and video calls, while COX have generally higher latency than fiber. And lastly, when it comes to reliability, version 5G can be affected by network congestions and weather, while COX is more consistent due to wired connection. So yes, that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to the customer support. When it comes to 24/7 support, so version 5V, yes, they have it available via phone and online chat. Same thing with COX Internet. When it comes to self-help resources, version 5G have comprehensive online help center. Same thing again with COX Internet. And when it comes to professional installation, so as I said, version 5G not required because self-installation is available, while COX, it is required for some plans and technician visit may be needed. Lastly, for customer satisfaction, version 5G is generally positive with some complaints about coverage, while COX Internets, they have mixed reviews with common complaints about data caps and pricing. So yes, that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the features, pricing, customer support, and performance comparison. So now let's go directly to the pros and cons, and let's start by discussing version 5G home internet pros and cons. When it comes to pros, version 5G is no need for traditional cables or fiber lines, and it's offering flexibility and setup. They have competitive pricing with no data caps, making it ideal for heavy internet users. They have an easy self-installation process without requiring a technician, and lastly, they have discounts available for existing version mobile customers. That's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, version 5G coverage is limited to areas with 5G availability, which may not be widespread. Also, the performance can vary depending on network congestions and external factors like weather. And lastly, the upload speeds are generally lower compared to wired connection like fiber. So that's it for the version 5G pros and cons. So now let's go to COX Internet pros and cons. When it comes to pros, COX Internet is widely available across many regions, especially in urban and suburban areas. They are reliable or on consistent speeds with a range of plan options to fit different needs. And also they have an options to bundle with TV and phone services for added convenience and saving. And lastly, they have a long-standing provider with a solid reputation for reliability. So that's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, COX Internet have data caps on most plans with additional charges for exceeding the limit. And also, they have a long-term contracts and they can include early termination fees if you decide to switch. And also, the higher cost for modem rental and professional installation, which can add up over time. And lastly, their customer satisfaction is mixed with common complaints about pricing and customer service. So that's it for the cons of COX Internet. So yes, that's it. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose version 5G. So version 5G is preferable for someone who lives in an area with a strong 5G coverage and want a flexibility of a wireless home internet connection, someone who prefers to avoid data caps and doesn't want to commit to a long-term contract, someone who is looking for a simple, hassle-free installation process without the need for professional setup, and lastly, someone who already uses version mobile services and wants to take advantage of bundle discounts. So if you have all of this quality, version 5G is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose COX Internet, COX Internet is preferable for someone who needs a reliable and consistent wired connection, especially if they live in an area with limited 5G coverage, someone who prefers the stability of a traditional cable or fiber optic connection for activities like streaming, gaming, and working from home, someone who is looking for bundling options with TV and phone services which can provide additional savings, and lastly, someone who is comfortable with the long-term contracts and can manage their data usage within the set limits. So if you have all of this quality, COX Internet is for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms offers unique benefits that cater to different needs. So if you're looking for a flexible, no contract, and data cap free option with easy setup, version 5G home internet might be the better choice for you. On the other hand, if you prioritize consistent speed, reliable wired connection, and bundling options, COX Internet could be the right fit. So remember to evaluate your specific needs, location, and usage habits before making a decision. And if this comparison helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tech reviews and comparison. So let us know in the comments which service you prefer or if you have any questions. So with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.